Verifying what size cap it is matters even when you have a replacement, because an incorrect capacitance or voltage rating can reduce efficiency, shorten component life, or cause system instability. A capacitor is specified by its capacitance in microfarads and its voltage rating, and those two numbers determine whether it will perform as intended in the circuit. When replacing a capacitor, first read the old capacitor label carefully for its microfarad value, voltage rating, tolerance, and temperature rating. If the label is missing, use a capacitance meter to measure the value. Match the microfarad value exactly for charge handling and timing characteristics, and never substitute a lower voltage rating. A higher voltage rated capacitor is acceptable, provided it fits physically. Pay attention to tolerance and temperature coefficients when the circuit is sensitive to drift or operates in extreme temperatures. For example, choose a tighter tolerance for timing circuits and a higher temperature class for motor-run capacitors. Check the physical form factor and lead spacing so the replacement fits the board or mounting bracket without stress on leads, and ensure polarity is observed where applicable, since electrolytic capacitors are polarized. Finally, after installation, verify system behavior under normal load and check for heating or audible noise from the component to confirm correct operation. Common mistakes include relying solely on visual similarity, which can lead to wrong microfarad or voltage selection. So always compare the numeric rating on the old capacitor with the new one before installing it. Another issue is ignoring tolerance and temperature rating. If you replace a precision timing capacitor with a wide tolerance part, the circuit can drift, so pick parts with appropriate specifications for the application. A third frequent problem is poor physical fit causing lead stress or improper connections, which can be avoided by measuring dimensions and lead spacing and securing the component properly to prevent vibration or movement. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where users share real experience and recommendations relevant to component and system selection. We help contractors find projects, and homeowners find peers and service providers who can help with technical decisions and installations.